People always ask me, should I buy Bitcoin? Should I buy gold? Should I buy stocks? My answer is always the same. The best investment you will make is in the person looking back at you in the mirror. You are your own greatest income-producing machine. Today, I'm explaining why self-investment has a higher ROI, or return on investment, than any stock market in the world. Skills over degrees. In the 1980s, a degree was enough. In 2025, the world cares about skills. A person who learns a high-value skill like AI prompt engineering, digital marketing, or complex sales can double their income in 6 months. Spending $500 on a high-quality online course or a certification can lead to a $10,000 raise. That's a 2,000% return on your money. You won't find that in the S&P 500. Your health is your wealth. You can have millions of dollars in the bank, but if you don't have the health to enjoy it, you are poor. Investing in high-quality food, a gym membership, and good sleep is a financial decision. Every dollar you spend on your health today saves you $10 in medical bills and lost productivity tomorrow. A healthy body leads to a sharp mind, and a sharp mind makes more money. Networking and proximity. They say your network is your net worth. Investing in yourself also means investing in your environment. Pay to attend that industry conference, go to the networking dinner, or join a high-level mastermind group. One conversation with the right person can change the entire trajectory of your career. In the US, many of the best opportunities aren't posted on job boards, they are shared in private circles. The habit of reading. The average CEO reads about 50 books a year. The average worker reads 0. Books allow you to download 20 years of someone else's experience into your brain in just 5 hours. Whether it's psychology, finance, or leadership, every book you read adds another tool to your value toolbox. Knowledge is the only thing that nobody can ever take away from you, and it never depreciates. Be a lifelong learner. The world is changing faster than ever. If you stop learning, you start falling behind. Dedicate 30 minutes every day to learning a new skill or improving an old one. This consistency will make you indispensable in any economy. Tomorrow, for day 29, I'll show you how to track and increase your net worth in just 1 year.